If you want to know how to download Lightroom presets and get them into Lightroom quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you where to find presets, how to download them the right way, how to extract the files, and how to import them into Lightroom without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides. First, let's talk about where to download Lightroom presets. You can find a lot of free and paid preset packs online. A simple Google search for Lightroom presets download is a great starting point. You can also check sites like Behance, Gumroad, and Etsy, where creators often sell or share preset packs. Another great option is to look on YouTube or Instagram, because many photo editors and creators give away free preset bundles in their captions, descriptions, or link in bio pages. Before you download anything, make sure the preset files are in the correct format. For Lightroom Classic and Lightroom Desktop, you want files ending in .xmp. That's the standard format for modern Lightroom presets. If you see a zip file, that's normal too, because the presets are usually compressed into a folder that needs to be extracted first. So once you've found the preset pack you want, download the zip file to your computer. After the download finishes, right-click the file and choose Extract All. This will open the compressed folder and reveal the preset files inside. You may see one or more .xmp files, and that's exactly what you need. If you don't extract the zip file first, Lightroom may not be able to read the presets properly. Now open Lightroom. Once the app loads, go to the Edit panel by clicking the sliders icon. On the right side, find the Presets section. In that panel, click the three dots, which is the menu for more options. From there, choose Import Presets. A file window will appear, and now you can browse to the extracted folder where your .xmp files are saved. Select the XMP preset files you want to import, then click Import. Lightroom will add them to your presets list, and you should see them appear in the presets panel almost immediately. From there, you can click any preset to apply it to your photo and see the effect right away. Now let's quickly cover a few common mistakes, because these are the ones that usually cause problems. First, don't use .dng files the wrong way. DNG presets are image-based and work differently from .xmp presets, so the import process is not the same. Second, don't forget to extract the zip file before importing. Third, make sure you're importing into the correct Lightroom version, because Lightroom Mobile, Lightroom Desktop, and Lightroom Classic can use different methods. And finally, if your presets don't show up after import, just restart Lightroom and check the presets panel again. So that's how to download Lightroom presets, extract them, and import them into Lightroom the right way. It only takes a few minutes once you know the steps. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.